Hi ladies and gentlemen, I can only speak for the Sony ZV-1F. That is the camera I have. It takes the BX1 battery, and a lot of the older cameras like this does take the same exact battery, and it's been that way for over 10 years. Well, we're vloggers and got a vlogger's camera. Wouldn't you want to have an extra large battery, unlimited runtime? Maybe somebody will make a battery that's 4 times the power, all day run. Never going to happen in today's world. So Sony offers what is called a USB connection in the camera. It doesn't do a single thing that allows you to run a power bank and a cable plugged into your camera for unlimited runtime. It only allows you to charge the camera on standby. If you take the battery out while recording, it'll battery exhaust, it'll save your file, and off you go. The USB connection type C on the side, you're able to live stream unlimited time as long as the computer's battery or the power of the computer plugged in and your USB-C plugged into the camera. That is the only time we are allowed to use it. So people make, dummy batteries. And this is a dummy battery that goes from one side to the other side. It doesn't go to the front or the back or have any notches on it, only side to side. Now you're going to have to take your camera and modify it the best you can to do so. So what I am going to be doing is showing you how I'm going to modify my camera to accept this dummy battery so it could run unlimited time when I'm doing recording for a long time plugged into a power bank or an AC spot. So let's show you what we're going to do, how we're going to scope it out, and where the possible areas may be good for me and you. This is a power bank. We're going to plug it in. This is the camera. You can see it charging. We could turn it on, standby. There's the AC, and do whatever we want. We could hit the record button. We could remove the battery. And the camera goes exhausted, saves the video. Shuts down. That's the only thing it's going to do. You won't be able to record unlimited time. The only way to record unlimited time is to put the dummy battery in, plug it into a power support, you see the light flickering, telling you, hey, we're doing something. We're able to turn on the camera, and then we're able to hit the record. There is the AC, and we're running 100% recording. That's the only way, and only way you're able to do so. You can take the little blue tab, battery exhaust, shuts down. Now, you take a note that I had the USB plugged in, and I used this. So let me just do this 100% correctly for you. We plug in the actual unit to the camera. We don't have anything. We see just the battery. We can record unlimited time, just the battery, nothing else. This is your SDXC card area. This is the area that has the depth that you could put the cable and cut. This is the area I've been talking to you about, the little X that goes between the metal and the door that you don't want to do anything. There is the locking mechanism for your battery. If you insert your battery correctly and it locks in and you have it to the side, these two tabs here, the screw and tab over here that you cannot do anything about, will not close correctly. This is the SD card area. Put it in the very far corner. You may not have any room, and chances are something's going to happen. This is where your door locks again. So anywhere over here to here will be the ideal spot. You don't have to cut anything on the door. You're just going to have to notch out this particular area. You're going to take a drill bit. You don't want to drill a hole. You may want to take an iron and take this little spot right out, a little notch on the bottom, the best you can. And that is probably where I'm going to go ahead. I'm probably going to go right here, put a little notch where my cable closes. So right about there, I'll draw a line with a pencil so I could take it off and not mess up my camera. With it closed, that is what it looks like. These are the tools at Dremel, all different types of sanders. I have some micro cloths. I'm going to protect my unit, and I'm going to fold this, place it in. This way, if anything gets inside, I could shake it out. I'm going to start it up, and this is my plan, to go here and bring it out here. That is acceptable, 100%. If we look at it, take it out, remove it, close it up. You can't tell anything's there, but maybe a micro area. Very, very acceptable. If you take your time and don't go bigger, you'll be fine. Always go small and work your way up. My next step is basically putting a little color like green on this side, red on the other. Now whenever I need to come here and plug in my unlimited power, I can do so. Very easy indeed. You're going to have to modify your camera, and yeah, it closes up just like that. I hope you enjoyed this review. Sony, get your act together and listen to the world. We want unlimited power or a larger battery to the camera.